there, YouTube. This is Anthony's West Texas Rides. Just an afternoon ride, about 75 degrees outside down here in West Texas. Heading north on 208 between San Angelo and Robert Lee. Nice little roads up here. Pretty nice for the area, considering typically most of our roads are flat with few curves. Riding with my buddy, we'll just call him Cowboy. We got him a 2009 Street Glide here a few months back. He's been having to do without a bike for quite a while. He used to ride, then he had a family pop up, and he took care of family first, and now that they're all kind of getting ready to graduate and everything, he had the ability to go out and get him a bike. So he's been a riding fool for the last few months. Had a video to put on my channel in a while. Just been busy with my own stuff going on. Really hadn't had a whole lot of new stuff at my local dealership to test ride as of late. I did try to do a ride video on a Canon Spider, but for some reason my freshly charged battery on my camera decided not to work, so that was a futile attempt. Other than that, life is good, motorcycles are great, these roads are nice. I was watching my buddy D-Best 1A, his channel the other day, and he was talking about upgrades. What would you want to upgrade to for your next bike? And he was talking about being unsure if he wanted to go over his 1300 cc's he's currently got on his bike. And he's running around on a deluxe version of my bike, the V-Star 1300 Deluxe. They're good bikes. He's got the Stage 1 done and the Ivan's ECU flash, and about as beefed up as you can make these bikes. And it's a running sucker, don't get me wrong. It'll get up there and run, but you kind of ride them for a while, and especially on longer rides like he does, especially. I haven't really had the chance to do very many long rides. He'll take those long trips, run down to the Dragon and other places, and Cheryl Hollow and all that stuff. You tend to wish you had a 6th gear and cruise control. That's the same boat I'm in. I'm looking to upgrade to whatever I get next. I want 6th gear and cruise control. Got a few options I'm considering. Of course, I like the Street Glide. I think I'd go with a 2014 Rushmore model or newer. Love the 107. Road King's probably my favorite Harley Davidson, but here lately I've been really hung up on the 2018 model Heritage Softail with the new, better bags it's got. And they're still leather wrap bags, but they're hard leather wrap bags, lockable. And it's just a good looking bike. Looking on Cycle Trader today, and I've already seen some for around 17 with the 114 cubic inch engine in it. Really nice, really nice. And then I'm also considering the Vaquero, considering the Voyager as well, Kawasaki Voyager, just from full touring standpoint. Something I think my wife would be comfortable on. And the fact that you can find ridiculously good deals on those all day long. But I thought about the Eluder. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence with it. I've seen so many different complaints on the Facebook forum that I'm not sure I want to venture into the Eluder. Or not, but another thing I'm really enjoying is the new Goldwing. Man, I like the new Goldwing. It is gorgeous. I'm about to sit on one. I hadn't got to ride one, but I really like the looks of it. It's a beautiful bike. Seeing where they've got some of your standard Goldwing, you know, I guess the new version of the F6B, you know, no trunk on it. I've seen them for 18, so another year or two when I get real serious about getting my next upgrade, I might be able to find a used one for, you know, maybe 15, 16. If I could do that, I might be real serious about going that route. It'd be a comfy bike for me and my wife. And I've never ridden the old Goldwing, so I won't be one of those guys that's so pissed off and annoyed with reduced luggage capacity. It's still way more luggage capacity than anything I've ever owned. So, but I think other than that, those are the main bikes I've really been looking at. Thought about an FJR. Really nice. Now, I was in Kerrville the other day at Freedom Power Sports, and they have the new Yamaha Tracer 900. And I've loved those FJ09s and Tracers since they came out. And which I guess was 2015. And I just love that bike. I love the idea of that bike. And the new GT900's got all the little things about the Tracer that I didn't care for, or I guess the FJ09 that I didn't care for, that fixed. You know, better seats, better windshield adjustment. You can adjust it on the fly while you're riding. Still got the 900cc triple engine in it, which is just a fantastic engine. And 6-speed, I like that. Heated grips and cruise control. It's now got cruise control, so I'm really debating on if I wouldn't want to go that route. And if I did go that route, I would keep this bike as something for me and my wife to run around on occasionally. And then I'd have that for me to run around on. I've also considered an FJR 1300 by Yamaha. I just love that bike, but every time I crawl on a sport tour, it's leaned over enough and the grips are so small that I still end up with cramped hands, just really annoyed. You know, I get sore. Of course, it's, you know, I got to teach myself to, you know, use my legs, squeeze the tank, pull my body up instead of using my arms. Kind of out of practice with riding sport tours. I hadn't done it in 8 or 9 years back when I owned one. But I do like that bike a lot.